he was just a and I knew it. Got me going back, sitting in this chair like I don't care. Gotta get him out my hair. I've tried everything, but it's useless. He pushed me so far, now I'm on the edge. Make him disappear. Go get him out my hair.
Stay that chat mode.
Okay, gotta beat your mind.